DEEVA fam, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Obviously you can tell by the title down below we are doing another unboxing, or obviously an unbagging for us, which is Ipsy. If you guys don't know, here on my YouTube channel I do subscription unboxings for BoxyCharm and Ipsy. I do giveaways at the unboxing after I've unboxed everything, which in general this is the giveaway video. So definitely make sure you guys check out the description box down below on how to enter. I do apologize when I do my subscription unboxings though, those, since they are the heavier packages, those are for US only. Every other giveaway though in Vlogmas will be open international. So just letting you guys know that up front before we go ahead and jump into this video. So if it's your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. I post videos 2 or 3 times a week. They're beauty, lifestyle, and makeup videos, just like this one. Also, if you were interested in the makeup on my face, it's a little bit different, a little bit on my comfort zone, slightly just because of the lip. If you want to see that video, don't forget to go ahead and check out that video previously for them. I'll have my Vlogmas playlist link down below for you guys, so you can go ahead and check it out. On top of that, I also do have a few other videos down there for you guys to go ahead and check out as well. I recently did a collab video for our friend Ari for Vlogmas during time because it was her birthday today, which is Wednesday when I'm filming this video. She turns 21, and that video was really fun for me to film. I'll give you guys a little secret. I actually did a makeup look recreating kind of like the Grinch, but like a fun festive way. I don't know. You guys can go ahead and check it out. But anyways, it'll be in my Vlogmas playlist down below. It should be the video right before this one. So I would assume so, somewhere in there, or before the other one. I don't know. Go ahead and check it out. Let me know your thoughts. Anyways, before we go ahead and jump into this video, you guys know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below to miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get into this. So like I said, I've got a bunch of giveaways going on, so don't forget to go ahead and check out the description box down below, but also how to enter into this giveaway as well for all of my US subscribers. Again, if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and also the notification bell so you guys know when I post. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into Ipsy. So for this month, if you guys want to go back and look at the BoxyCharm video too, I forgot to choose all my stuff for this month, and I somehow don't know how that happens. I missed the emails. I don't see when I'm supposed to pick my stuff. I know I remember to see the email for BoxyCharm, so I did pick the items for next month. As for Ipsy, I have no clue yet because I haven't seen that email come through yet. But I didn't pick the items for this one either. So it's always like Christmas. It's always like a surprise to me when I forget to choose my items, but then I'm also disappointed in myself because when the bags don't turn out that great, then I put my hands into BoxyCharm and Ipsy to choose the products for me based on like the customization, which is like the quiz you take, and I don't know, sometimes I'm a little bit disappointed. So let's just go ahead and see what we got. So this is the bag and what it looks like for us, and I think the bag is really cute. As for some of you guys who have seen Allie Dawson's YouTube channel, she just calls this the Santa sack, because it pretty much is. It's a cute little bag, but when we get these, I don't know what to do with them. Like, there was at one point where I took, when I subscribed to Ipsy in the very beginning, when it was just like the mini ones, I actually took those bags and created like a wall, or like a oh my god, a wall hanger, I don't know, wall decoration on my wall. If you guys really want to see that video, which it's kind of, I'm a little ashamed of it, but also it's very creative for me at the same time too. It's like one of my oldest videos for my channel. I will link it somewhere up here or down below in shame. But also I still thought it was cute at the same time when I was like younger, so it is what it is. But anyways, we have the Santa sack, and let's just go ahead and dive into this. We always get the card that comes with it. It just says time to shine. I think it's just because it's the end of the year, so we've got New Year's Eve coming up soon, so 'tis the season to treat yourself, which is so nice to say at the same time too. Like, I can't believe we are almost at the end of the year of 2021. And I remember when it began, we were like, oh my god, this year is just going to be crazy just because of, you know, the pandemic. But we're all trying to get back to normal. So we do have the beauty horoscope in here. Okay. My birthday was just recent, which was in November, for some of you guys that don't know. So let's go ahead and read off straight from the stars straight from the stars with can I speak? Straight from the stars with astrology duo at Spell Sisters. So for Scorpio, it says treat yourself to things you don't always allow yourself to enjoy. Interesting. I'm one of those people that allows myself to enjoy whatever I want to enjoy. Whether it's sleeping in when I can, whether it's filming videos and enjoying makeup, or it's going shopping, or it's having a nice cocktail. You know what? Today's hump day and I'm gonna enjoy my life today anyways. It's a Wednesday. So I'm gonna go sing karaoke later and enjoy myself. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into this bag really quickly and see what we got. So starting off, we have the LMS Peptide Eye Recovery Cream. So this one just says a reviving eye cream for tired, overworked eyes. It has peptides for night scent stock and revives, brightens, and hydrates. So that's really cool. LMS, we know, is not a cheap product, so I could probably guess this is probably somewhere around like the $80 range, just because that is typically how expensive that is. Then next we have a limited edition Studio Makeup Volume Intense Mascara. I have so many mascaras, it's ridiculous, but this thing is heavy. Why is this mascara so heavy? Like, it is weighted. Like, I feel like this weighs like a pound. Like, it literally, I could lift weights with this because of how heavy it is. That is crazy. And then the way that it's like shaped kind of reminds you of like how like a screw is. It has all those grooves in it. Or not a screw, what is it? You guys know what I meant. Yeah, like a screw. So, really weird. That's cool. So there's that. I'm gonna guess this is probably around like the $25 range, because most mascaras these days, even like Benefit or Too Faced, are like $25, somewhere $22. So there's that. That's about $100 between those two. Although I feel like LMS is like, I don't know why their prices are so high. That's ridiculous. Ooh, okay, so this is a brand I've never tried before, but I've always wanted to. This is by Uma Beauty. This is their Badass Icon matte lipstick in Maya. So that's fun. I'm definitely keeping this. Let's see what it looks like. Packaging A+, very heavy. Is it a magnet? It's a magnet. Hey, gotta love that. And then the shade. Okay, this is a really pretty shade. Nice neutral. I'm down with that, so I'm going to keep it. I do have some swatches on my hand from the previous video from doing this, but we're going to go ahead and swatch that. So yeah, that's a very beautiful color. I can definitely get down with that. Definitely neutral. I'm a neutral girl when it comes to lip shades, so I'm definitely keeping that one. Okay, let's keep moving on into here. So we've got a bronzer, it looks like, by a company called Shades by Shane, which is from San Francisco, California. And it says, "You are beautiful" on the front. Okay, packaging, pretty decent size here. Looks like it is a full size, and it is kind of like that taupey shade, which really works for me right now while I am like not as pale. Or where I'm not as bronzed, what am I saying, not as tan as I normally am. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep that bronzer. You guys know I love bronzers. Like, your girl loves to bronze up her face and make it look good. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and keeping that. And then the last item we have in here, which is packaged up very nicely for us, is going to be the Clarity Daily Dose of Water Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Serum Intensely Boosts Hydration. Ooh, okay. You guys know I love myself some hyaluronic acid when it comes to, because I have the one by The Ordinary and I'm almost out of that. So I'm definitely keeping that item as well. So in the end, I'm probably just not going to go ahead and keep these two items when it comes to this box. So this bag, what do you guys think? I'm pretty sure our total came out to where it should be, because I think this is not that cheap either. This is more like the $25, 30 round range, I think, or 18, something like that. And then I could see we got our money's worth just because of the different amount of products. Am I completely wowed about this one? No, because there's only one name brand that I actually really know, well, besides LMS. But like when it comes to makeup, so we got through 2 skincare items and 3 makeup items. So for as of having like a variation in there, I think that's really good. But other than that, I just wasn't really impressed. But it's my own fault because I didn't get to choose the items and I have no idea what the choice items would have been. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the giveaway portion of this video. Alright, so for the giveaway portion of this video, you guys know I go ahead and put it into this little Santa sack, and then that's how I ship it off to you guys. So starting off with the items from the last videos, if you guys can go ahead and see those, you're more than welcome to, but I'm just going to go and tell you right now. So I've got this lip liner duo, which is by Evo Beauty. I've got this contour palette. Is a glow, actually it's a glow kit. It's not like a contour palette. It's a glow kit that has all these different shades in it, even eyebrow in there. So you've got a bronze, a blush, a highlighter, some eyebrow stuff, eyeshadows. Ooh, I apologize, that just dug into that. I'm so sorry that happened. So, oops, my bad. But that's gonna go back into its packaging. And then let's go ahead and put that away. So we've got a glow kit. It's right here for us. We've got a lip duo. And then, where was the other items? Ugh. I had the Alani, like, whatever these, Alana Badro Luxurious sponges. So that's going in here. I also told you guys I was giving you this Cat's like vitamin C facial cream. I'm gonna be honest, the packaging is really bulky, so if you guys don't mind, I'm gonna take it out of the packaging just to make it easier to fit it into the bag, so you guys can actually see that I'm putting it in here like this, just so that makes it easier to go ahead and ship off to you guys. And then we've also got these two other items which are here, which is the mascara and the eye patches. I forgot to show the eye cream. So the eye cream itself is just in this little tube, which is why that, like, I'm so concerned why LMS is so expensive, because sometimes I feel like the items they give us are like really small and tiny, and then I just don't feel like they're worth the price. So yeah, it is what it is in that type of circumstance. So I don't think I can fit everything into here. If I can, I can. If I can't, I can't. But yeah, so that is everything that is going into this month's giveaway. That is 6 products, I believe, 4 and then 2. So that's even one more than typically what I would get in like the base box or Ipsy's like glam bag. So that's pretty much almost, you guys get 6 products, almost like a BoxyCharm Premium. So yeah, there is that. So if you guys want to go ahead and enter into this giveaway, again, don't forget to go ahead and read the description down below. Again, I do apologize. This is the only video for Vlogmas that is going to be for US only. But again, I appreciate all your support. Don't forget to keep an eye out for any more giveaways be coming on in the future, because those ones will be open to everyone, to US and international. So again, I love you guys so much. So you know the gist. If you like videos like this, give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.